Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Cook County in northeast Illinois, southeastern Lake County in northeast Illinois until 8 o'clock p.m. At 7:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Glenview and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour.
Whoa!
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Northfield and Wilmette around 7:20 p.m. Winnetka and Kenilworth around 7:25 p.m.
Doubleheader!
Highland Park around 7:30 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Highwood. Other locations affected: Northwestern University, Oakton Community College, Ravinia Music Festival. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Doubleheader! Here it goes again! That's 2 days in a row I get a doubleheader!
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 8:45 p.m. At 7:11 p.m., Doppler radar indicated outflow winds from thunderstorms capable of wind gusts to nearly 50 knots from near Wilmette to 20 nautical miles.
Triple header!
Moving southeast at 35 knots. These thunderstorm winds will be near Northerly Island around 8 o'clock p.m. Motorists should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 o'clock p.m. Monday evening for northeastern Illinois.
Let's see. Triple header! Yes! My first triple header.
The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Cannon Lake. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Kane County in northeast Illinois, northern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeast Illinois,
Come on.
southeastern McHenry County in northeast Illinois, southern Lake County in northeast Illinois until 1 a.m. at 7:11 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across northeast Kane, northern Cook, and southern Lake counties. Rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour are possible with these storms, which may cause flash flooding, especially in low-lying and urban areas. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Addison, Algonquin, Arlington Heights, Barrington, Buffalo Grove, Carroll Stream, Carpentersville, Deerfield, Des Plaines, DuPage Airport, East Dundee, Elgin, Elmhurst, Franklin Park, and Glencoe. 8 inches of standing water was reported at Towie and Elmhurst Roads in Des Plaines. Other locations affected: Elgin Community College, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Harper College, Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, Lake Forest College, Oakton Community College. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely.